my name's Emma and I'm the creative lead at Listoza Marketing, and today I'm going to show you how to create GIFs for your emails using Canva. So this is our Canva doc. I have made the size of this one 1080 pixels by 600 pixels in case you were wondering. So there's two ways that we can animate this to make it into a fun GIF. The first way is animating our elements. So our elements being this text. If we go into animate here, they have lots of different animations that you can do, sliding in. Down the bottom they have motion effects that will continuously go, so maybe we'll just select this one. And the other way is in elements. So if you search, for example, falling petals is what I did, and then you go into the filter up here, you can search animated elements. And you can find something that suits your design, and basically when you get your design all together, that's all you have to do. So from here you can just click share, download, and then you can just download that one as a GIF.